Thank you. 5. What do you do? 6. I am teacher. 7. And you? 8. I am a student. 9. Daily routine. 10. I wake up. 11. Early in the morning. 12. I brush my teeth. 13. Dressed up. 14. Breakfast. 15. I eat breakfast. 16. I go to school. 17. Arrive at school. 18. Greeting to friends. 19. Enter in class. 20. Sit in class. 21. Teacher comes. 22. Absolutely not. 23. As soon as possible. 24. Call me tonight. 25. Come with me. 26. Can you speak slowly? 27. Do you mean it? 28. I feel much better. 29. Go right ahead. 30. Have you finished? 31. It's easy. 32. It's obvious. 33. Relax. 34. See you tomorrow. 35. There are too many people here. 36. What do you think? 37. What's the date today? 38. You're always right. 39. I've got it. 40. Thank you very much.